Hello, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and today I'm going to product review some samples that were sent to me on Instagram by a dear friend, BUT Defined, and I will tag her in the description below. But she is a Monat representative, and we had I had commented on a post that she had posted about dry damaged hair, and you ladies, if we're over 40, we know between trying to cover the gray and if we color our hair, a lot of times the damage is just so hard to undo. But I want you to know that she had sent me some samples, and this is the first video I'm going to do to give some reviews of the products that she sent. But this is the Monat sample that she sent me, and this was for the Restore shampoo and leave-in conditioner. And I used both of them today along with the Rejuvabeads by Monat, and this is a leave-in product that soothes. It's kind of like chi oil, it seemed to me, even though it's not an oil, it's more of a lotion based. After you get out of the shower and towel dry your hair and smooth it in, and like I always do, I put it between two palms and just kind of smooth it before I blow dry. And you guys, if you had seen any of my videos or any picture post, you know that it's like the ends of my hair I always struggle with, and they're so damaged and dry all the time. And these products I have tried amazing. And you know me being former Paul Mitchell specialist and all that it takes a lot for me to say that a product is better. Hair products are better than Paul Mitchell. And let me tell you why. These products, the leave-in conditioner, of course, helps to, kind of smooth the outer shaft of the hair. And that's why we use conditioner in the first place. It just kind of defrizzes kind of itself alone. But when you add the Rejuvabeads with it, which is what I did today, which is the product that you also leave in and you put on before styling, and you can see, I have split ends you can barely see. It is like there's just a slight shine to my hair, and it just looks 100 times healthier. You guys can see if you even, compare the way my hair looks today as opposed to how it usually does in pictures and videos. It's just the ends are kind of frizzy, and it's something I've always struggled with. And I want to thank you so much, Clean BUT Defined, for sending me the sample. She's out of Canada. I'm going to tag her below. But you guys stay tuned for more videos and product reviews, because she sent me a lot of goodies, and I can't wait to try. If any of them work on my hair, like the Restore shampoo and leave-in conditioner and the Rejuvabeads, we are in business. She has probably scored a customer for life. So, honey, be ready, because I'm about to put in my order. You guys, as always, have a wonderful day and much love.